The legal world was shaken, and AI had passed the bar exam. This wasn't science fiction, it was real. The news sent ripples of anxiety and excitement through the profession. What did this mean for the future of law? Was this the beginning of the end for human lawyers? For an AI to achieve this, it signaled a seismic shift in artificial intelligence. This wasn't just about crunching numbers or automating simple tasks. This was about an AI demonstrating a grasp of legal reasoning and argumentation. The real test was about to begin. How would AI shape the legal landscape in the years to come?
This wasn't just about an AI lawyer passing an exam. This was about a powerful new set of tools. AI brought to the table an arsenal of capabilities that promised to revolutionize the practice of law. One of the most immediate impacts was in legal research. Imagine sifting through thousands of legal documents in seconds. That's what AI could do. It could analyze vast databases of case law, statutes, and legal precedents with unparalleled speed and accuracy. This meant lawyers could spend less time on tedious research and more time on strategy and client interaction. How would the legal profession adapt to this new reality?
The rise of AI in law sparked widespread fear of job displacement. Would robots replace lawyers altogether? The answer, like most things in life, was nuanced. While it's true that AI could automate many routine tasks traditionally performed by lawyers, it was unlikely to replace human judgment, empathy, and strategic thinking entirely. Instead, AI was poised to reshape the legal profession, not eliminate it. The role of lawyers would likely evolve. Tasks like document review and legal research might be increasingly handled by AI. This shift also meant a significant boost in efficiency.
Section 4, Justice for All: How AI Can Make Law Affordable. The legal system, for all its importance, has long been criticized for being inaccessible and unaffordable for many. AI has the potential to change that. Imagine a world where basic legal advice is just a click away. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants could provide answers to common legal questions, guide individuals through simple legal processes like filing forms, and even draft